everyone. In the last video, we created the scene and we added the OVR player controller to it, and we added the custom hands. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to build this application so we can test it out on our Oculus Quest. The first thing that we want to do is make a build out of this application. So what we're going to do is go to File, Build Settings, and then from there, you want to add the open scene. So we can add the main scene to the scenes in build right here. And what you want to do is make sure it's on Android, and we already have that because we switched it in the beginning. And then we're just gonna click on build, and we're saving it in basically the folder that already has the project in it, and let's just call it test build and just save, and it's gonna start building. Now that we finished building the application, we need to download a piece of software called the Oculus Developer Hub. So we're going to go to Google to do that. What you want to do is just go to Google and search up Oculus Developer Hub. And then from there, just go to the first link. And it's going to take you to the Oculus Developer website. Now you go down, and as you can see here, if you have a Mac or Windows, just to choose whichever one you have. I have a Mac, so I'm just going to go Mac OS, and I'm just going to hit download right here. This is what the Oculus Developer Hub is going to look like once you install it and open it. What you want to do after is connect your Oculus Quest device to your computer, and then from there what you want to do is click on File Manager. After that, you want to click on Apps, and you want to upload the build that we made earlier in Unity. You can do that by either clicking on this upload button right here and choosing the file, or by just dragging the file onto the Oculus Developer Hub. Next, you want to go on your Oculus headset, and then you want to select Apps. From the top, you want to select Unknown Sources, and then after that, you want to select the top app, which is the one that you just installed. The first thing that we're going to see when we load our application are the hands that we put under the OVR player controller. We can also move around the scene freely on the floor that we've placed in the main scene. Congratulations, you've created your first virtual reality application. In the next video, we're going to get more advanced and add objects that you can grab and interact with.